Viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. This is question from NDA 2nd 2025. If alpha equal to -1 plus under root -3 by 2, then what is the value of 1 plus alpha to the power 19 plus minus alpha to the power 35 to the power whole power 100 minus 1 minus 3 alpha to the power 25 plus alpha to the power 38 to the power 50. So student, here alpha is given to us -1 plus minus root -3 upon 2. You know that iota square equal to -1. Therefore -1 plus root 3 iota by 2, and this is the value of omega, cube root of unity. So alpha equal to omega, putting these values, 1 plus omega to the power 19 minus omega to the power 35 to whole 500 minus 1 minus 3 omega to the power 25 plus omega to the power 38 to the power 50. Since you know that 1 plus omega square equal to 0, so putting here 1 plus omega cube to the power 3 6 18 into omega, and this can be written omega to the power 3 to 3 1 3 3 1 3 into omega square to the power 100. Since omega q equal to 1 and minus 1 minus 3 omega q to the power, we can write 3 8 24 into omega plus omega q to the power 3 1 3 3 2 6 into omega square to the whole power 50, and this become omega q equal 1. Therefore 1 plus omega, this is omega q 1 plus minus omega square to the power 100 minus 1 minus 3, this is omega plus omega square to the power 50. Now putting this 1 plus omega square equal to 0. So here 1 plus omega is equal to 0. So therefore 1 plus omega equal to minus omega square. So minus omega square to the power 100 minus 1 minus 3 omega, and omega square equal to minus 1 minus omega to the power 50, and this is minus 2 omega square to the power 100, and this is 1 cancel, minus 3 omega minus 4 omega 2 to the power 50, and this is 2 to the power 100 omega to the power 200 minus this is 4 to the power 50 into omega to the power 50. So 2 to the power 100, we can write omega to the power 200 as omega cube 3 6 18 into omega square minus 4 can be written 2 to the power 2 to the power 50 into omega to the power 50. This is 2 to the power 100, and this is 1 omega square minus this is 2 to the power 100 omega 15 can be also written omega q to the power 3 1 3 3 6 18 into omega square. So 2 to the power 100 omega square minus 2 to the power 100, this become 1 omega square. So this is cancel out, we got 0. So 0 is the correct answer of this question, which is found in option C. Therefore option C is correct. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.